Hey guys, are you want to buy best gaming graphics card? Then you are on the right place. Our today's video is about top 5 best gaming graphics card that are available in the market. If you want to know price and more information about the products that mentioned in this video, you may check the link in description box below. So now let's get started. Starting at Asus RTX graphics card. The OC Edition graphics card is built for serious performance, delivering up to 1492 AI tops for cutting-edge AI tasks and gaming, running at 2625 MHz in OC mode. It offers powerful speed, backed by GPU Tweak 3 software for intuitive tuning and advanced thermal control. Its 3.2-slot design features a large fin array and 3 axial tech fans, scaled up for maximum airflow and efficiency. Max contact technology with a vapor chamber and a phase change GPU thermal pad work together to optimize heat transfer, keeping temperatures low and performance high. Enjoy silent operation during light tasks with 0 decibels technology. Whether you're gaming, streaming, or running demanding AI workloads, this GPU is engineered for premium cooling, reliability, and next-level performance. Now our second product is ASUS Dual NVIDIA GeForce Gaming graphics card. This graphics card, powered by NVIDIA's Ampere architecture, delivers a significant leap in performance and efficiency. The new Ampere streaming multiprocessors offer 2x the FP32 throughput, while second-gen RT cores double the ray tracing performance, enabling real-time ray tracing and shading simultaneously. With third-gen Tensor cores, you get up to 2x the AI processing power, unlocking advanced features like DLSS for smoother gameplay and enhanced visuals. The axial tech fan design with a smaller hub and longer blades improves airflow and cooling, while the 2-slot design ensures better compatibility with compact PC builds. Whether you're a gamer or a content creator, this GPU brings top-tier ray tracing, AI, and thermal efficiency in one sleek package. Our third product is ASUS TUF Gaming graphics card powered by NVIDIA's Ada Lovelace architecture. This OC Edition GPU delivers exceptional performance and efficiency for next-gen gaming, with up to 2x the power efficiency from the new streaming multiprocessors and 4th-gen Tensor cores. It unleashes up to 4x better performance using DLSS 3 compared to traditional rendering. The 3rd-gen RT cores boost ray tracing up to 2x, offering immersive, cinematic visuals in real time. Factory overclocked to 2655 MHz in OC mode, this GPU ensures smooth gameplay at high frame rates. Enhanced axial tech fans, scaled up to provide 21% more airflow, keep thermals in check even under load. Whether you're building a powerhouse gaming rig or upgrading for 4K and ray tracing, this card blends raw performance, smart cooling, and cutting-edge AI rendering technology. Now number 4. Gigabyte Radian Gaming Graphics Card. The Radeon RX 7600 XT graphics card delivers powerful next-gen performance with 16 GB of GDDR6 memory on a 128-bit interface, making it a solid choice for high-resolution gaming and content creation. Built on PCI Express 4.0, it ensures fast data transfer for seamless gameplay. The wind force cooling system keeps temperatures in check with efficient airflow, while the RGB fusion lighting adds customizable flair to your setup. A protective metal backplate enhances durability and aesthetics. For connectivity, it features 2 HDMI 2.1a and 2 DisplayPort 2.1 ports, supporting ultra-high refresh rates and resolutions for multi-monitor setups or high-end displays. Ideal for gamers who want great performance, cooling, and style in one card. The RX 7600 XT is a strong contender in its class, and our last choice is MSI Gaming graphics card, the NVIDIA GeForce RTX 3060 12GB GDDR6 graphics Card delivers solid performance for gamers and creators alike. With a 1710 MHz GPU clock speed and 1807 MHz memory clock, it ensures smooth and responsive gameplay even in demanding titles. Equipped with 12 GB of GDDR6 RAM, it handles high-resolution textures and multitasking with ease. The card supports a maximum resolution of 7680 by 4320, making it ready for 8K content and multi-monitor setups. Connectivity is versatile, with 3 DisplayPort 1.4a outputs and 1 HDMI 2.1 port, enabling high refresh rates and HDR visuals on the latest displays. Ideal for 1080p and 1440p gaming. As well as creative workloads, the RTX 3060 offers great value and future-ready features like ray tracing and DLSS support for enhanced visual fidelities. So, what do you think about this video? If you think this video is really helpful to take your decision, kindly subscribe our channel and click the bell icon to notify our upcoming video. Thank you for watching this video.